Up for sale today, we got a really cool 1969 Camaro Convertible. It is finished in garnet red with black interior. It's rocking those really cool hubcaps that I love with those old school Firestone wide ovals. It's a one repaint car with its factory original interior from 1969. Power steering, number matching 327. Dual master cylinder. So like I said, it's a one repaint. You know, it's got its fair share of things. Some chips. It's like our orange Z28 that we have. It's the same kind of paint. Funny story, the guy bought it for his wife. The man owns 9 69 Camaros, so he buys his wife the 69 Camaro, and the wife tells him, "Oh, I don't like 69 Camaros." You think he would have found that out before he bought the car for her. Just a funny story. You know, it does show really well. It's got a nice shine to it.
Hey, are these all like one business?
Anyway, sorry I had someone come up and talk. So, like I said, one repaint. Body's in good condition. You see a couple more here. A little bit more there. Gosh, I love those hubcaps. I think someone told me they're called like moon caps or something. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't looked them up yet to find out. But like I said, this is the interior from '69. I would say it's held up really well for 50 years. Automatic, I don't know if I said that, but it is the all-number matching drivetrain. Oh, like I said, like I forgot to say, subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. It helps me out. I appreciate it. Trying to get more people seeing my videos, trying to see more people seeing my cars, my business, so it helps me out. Thank you. The trunk is original, solid, a little bit of surface rust. A couple more chips there. We're gonna have it detailed over the weekend. Have a guy come and give it a good professional buff. Oh, the sun's coming out. I hate the sun. See a little bit of fading right there. Convertible top, brand new. I will show the picture of the stamp, trunk, other important parts of the car in the ad. So if you don't see that here, you know it's there. It's still got the buzzer. Don't want to leave that on for a long time, it'll drive you crazy. The nice dash pad, good quality. The shifter, radio, Astro ventilation. Was it a factory air car? It might have been. Or they just threw them all. I don't know. You look at too many cars after a while. Real cool, real solid. It'll be for sale soon. Affordable. A good car to enjoy. Dependable driver. Real smooth. So we'll do the driving video now. Thank you.